we're going to start by seasoning our chicken breast. And as you can see, I only have 2 here. And if you want to do more, just double everything and triple everything and just kind of adjust it to your liking. I'm going to be using this Caribbean Jerk wing seasoning mix. It's Caribbean Jerk. I've used it in a few things. I made chicken burgers and stuff like that. This is really, really good. So the good thing is this tastes great, and plus it's budget friendly. And I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle this on. And then I'm going to flip my breasts. Sprinkle the rest on this side. I still have a bit left in the package because I feel this is enough for me. And once again, adjust everything to your liking and just, you know, see what works for you and how much meat you're cooking and stuff like that when it comes to, you know, packaged spices, I guess you could say. And then I'm going to add 2 medium cloves of garlic. And for me, I'm going to spice it up a bit. I have 2 small serrano peppers that I diced. A teaspoon of classic olive oil. And I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not using no measuring spoons. Mix everything really good and make sure there's an even coat throughout your chicken breast. If you want to add a third, go ahead. I did not even use the entire packet of the jerk seasoning. And you could even add a third chicken breast as far as my opinion. But just adjust things to your liking when it comes to seasoning, because when it comes to seasoning, everybody's different. Spray my pan with pan spray. And keep in mind, you could grill this, you could bake it, you could cook it however you like. Adding my chicken breast to the pan. And I'm keeping room for my zucchini and the vegetable that I'm going to have with my meal. I'm adding some yellow corkscrew squash to the pan. And then also I'm adding some zucchini. And it's just basically different varieties of summer squash. Some sliced purple onion. And this is about half of a medium purple onion. 1 serrano pepper on the side for garnish and also so you can take a bite of while you're eating. Cook your chicken on a medium heat as far as whatever stovetop you're using. And if you're grilling it, just a low flame. And just make sure you cook it for about maybe 12 minutes before you flip it. While you're waiting to flip your chicken, you just want to toss and turn your vegetables and make sure they're cooking evenly. Flipping the breasts, and let's toss these vegetables. And don't forget your serrano pepper. You want to toss and turn that too. And if you want to add a few more, go for it. Add a bit of butter, or I mean butter substitute, forgive me, and we're good to go. I'm just adding a bit of salt, and this is Himalayan pink salt. Use whatever salt you like. And a bit of black pepper. Give my vegetables a toss and a turn. Delicious. It's smelling amazing. I'm going to give my chicken just one more flip just to make sure it's fully cooked. This came out so good. I've already tried this jerk seasoning in some chicken burgers, and it was amazing. This is so delicious. Try it out. Prepare this exactly how I made it. I promise you it won't let you down. And I'll see you in my next video.